Welcome to my channel Based Strong Motivation. Today I speak invite God into your difficulties. God is going to accept you as you are. Business God took something, even explain my career to nobody. They ask me this TV show. I can tell you hard it is out here and try to get TV show. I got 8. That's called grace. That's because man he will do X and abundantly got to do is honor him. So I am standing. Most of the time we are praying challenge get me out of this financial setback, but before you get out you have a powerful than God. Bringing you out is when God some to change and straight. You cannot explain grace to outlaws. What should stop you? Sometimes thought, but even you ask God to be at rest. God, I know you are ordering and my step me to where I am supposed to be. When you ask him in, you are saying, God, don't just change the circuit.